What's up everybody, Raul back with another video. Today it's gonna be a little bit different. I've been working on a yard, been making a lot of progress with this backyard. I'll post up some pictures of how the backyard looked here. So I'll be talking through this little slideshow of what's going on, but pretty much I took on this yard and the backyard was a mess. Cleaned that up. They had hopes of doing some cement work back there, and they had some plans, but then plans changed. So I went ahead and did a full thorough cleanup, trimmed the trees, everything, got it all ready, prepped the soil, took everything down, did some weed treatments, and now we're in the season. So I started doing seeding. So what I did was I seeded the whole backyard with Bermuda. So I'll post up some pictures, but we'll also take a look at it right here. So you and I both will see it right now, and we're probably going to get the first cut on it. All right, so stay tuned. Got a few weeds here, no big deal. Nice. We're gonna cut it today. Oh yeah. Look at that. This is dry. Nothing here. Post a picture up. Really dry. About a week ago. This. No big deal. Take those out. Look at this section. Jeez. Get lost in here. So this is, I want to say, I might correct it on the screen, but this is, I believe, 3 weeks in, maybe 4 weeks. I would have to check my calendar. Yeah. All right. Let's pull some weeds and let's get this cut. All right, everybody. First cut's done. Let's take a look. pulled some of the weeds. There's still a few left over. This will all fill in nicely. On the screen exactly how many days it's been since seeding. Alright everybody, that concludes the video. Here with my son. Had a long day at work today, huh?
Yep.
It's what, 3:35? We've been at it since 6. Went to all our houses, checked up on our projects, and they're all looking good.
Yeah.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Fist bump. We out of here. Close it. Wait.
Peace.
Keep mowing and growing.
Yeah. Peace.
Just got home and I'm over here taking care of all this crap that falls from this orangewood tree. I believe that's what it's called, because they're gonna finish the street this week. But look, there's bees everywhere. I don't know if you guys see them. But you see them like when they get towards the curve. Look, there's like 7 of them right here. It's weird. But that's enough. Wait till the next video upload about the grass. That's just a teaser. Alright everybody.